It's your boy Rob, and we back in the shop today. So today we are going to get Dash's initial reaction to the paint on the Impala. He's about to pull up on me, said he wanted to check it out. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull the car out and see what he says about it, man. See if he could, if he likes the color. I think I did send him the, before I even did this, I sprayed up a test panel and I sent him the color. So he already knew beforehand what the color was gonna be. But you know, we're gonna see, and I'm sure that he's going to also make a video of the car or whatever and throw it on his channel. I've already dropped it on my channel. You guys have already seen it. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can go over there to his channel, Dash's Garage, and check out what, you know, he records of the car. Like I said, I'm sure he's gonna wanna throw it up on his channel because, you know, it's only right, you know what I mean? But anyways, man, I'm sitting here waiting for him. I'm still kind of buttoning up some things. I'm throwing my door handles in and stuff like that. Probably gonna clean my windows, clean my wheels and stuff. I don't know if I'll get to all that today, but I definitely am trying to piece the car all the way back together so that, you know, it's nothing like hanging out and, you know, whatever. But anyways, man, like I said, I'm gonna just sit here and I'm gonna wait for Dash, and yeah, once he gets here, I'll cut the camera back on and then, you know, see what he says about it. Oh yeah, how could I forget, man? Before we get started, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. I greatly appreciate all the love. Also, hit those bell notifications so you get a notification for when we start getting to dropping the information for the Flowmaster 44s. I'm going to do it live, I believe, and I will just drop a date and time through the videos so that you guys know when it's going to be. I'll go live, you know what I'm saying? We'll go ahead and do the drawing, and then whoever the winner is, hopefully one of you guys that wins the Flowmaster 44s is actually on the live when I go live, so that, you know, I don't have to try to track you down or whatever, and hopefully, you know, it's easy to communicate between you and I through whatever social platform we communicate through. That would be great, so I can get these things out to you guys. Realistically, I'm trying to get everything in my garage, in my cars, in the trunk and everything. I want everything all cleared out because, you know, I'm kind of OCD when it comes to the clutter, man. I don't really like a whole lot of clutter. I know things get tight, things get cluttery pretty easily, but for me, I'm not that type of dude, man. I like my space. I like being able to, you know, walk and, you know, without tripping over stuff, without, you know, like clutter kind of stresses me out. And so getting stuff out of, you know, where I, like I said, the trunk and the garage and all that kind of stuff, getting stuff out of the way makes me happy. So anyways, man, hit those notifications so that you get a notification, yeah, explaining when the drawing is going to be. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the video. What you thinking, man?
It's definitely a different car, man. Like what you did, getting that dust on there, you know?
I know, right? Can't see all the imperfections. Yeah, she still need to be clean. I was just kind of cleaning the windows a little bit for a second.
I told him he's a color match. It's the lip of it.
That somebody else told me that too. I don't think I'm gonna do that though, cause you know, my emblems are gonna be chrome, all the chrome moldings and stuff. So I kind of want it. I was debating whether I want to match the brakes or just paint them red or something. I don't know. Or just get some new ones, some Willwoods or something. I don't know. We'll see.
So just do everything black behind it.
Black, yeah.
And if you do it red, it's gonna just not look right.
So the reason why I said that is because, so I'm looking at the illuminated emblem. I should have bought it when they were in stock, but the only one they have in stock is red. Yeah, thank you. You too. They only have the red one. They don't have the white ones. I want the white one because, yeah, so yeah, it'll be like a white emblem, Chevy emblem, and it lights up.
Is it just LED behind it?
The whole thing, the whole Chevy emblem is LED. So, but they only have the red one. I'm like, well, if I do red there, I could do red on the calipers, but.
Let me talk to a guy at work. You send me it, he might be able to program a different color.
Okay. Yeah, so, yeah, man. Yeah, I could pull it out so you can see see it in the sunlight. It's the one on the right. It's not gonna have the same effect though. Yeah, no, the ones over there are for plugging it in, but I'll just pull it out because it ain't gonna have the same. Yeah, man. So thoughts in the sunlight. I think it looks pretty good, man. I'm scared to wipe it because I don't want to scratch it, but yeah. What you thinking, man?
Looks good, man.
Yeah.
So I still got to mess with you. Go find a Caprice or something, paint it white.
Yeah. So, yo, stamp of approval, man. I still think it looks really, really good. I'll repaint it again one day, but for now, hey, for my first time spraying candy, I think it's solid. And I messed up the bumper again. This little piece cracked. I'll probably just order a whole new bumper at this point, because I don't know how to fix that piece. And I think this bumper is actually warped from me driving it while it's hanging, because I can't line it up for whatever reason. It's not lining up the way it needs to line up. So, you know, I might just go ahead and order a new one and call it good. But, you know, because it lines up on this side, but this other side, it just doesn't line up. And I was trying to force it way too much, trying to line it up. So,
plastic weld. Think that'll work on it?
Well, that's what I did.
Was it?
Yeah, I plastic welded it, and then I body filled over it, and then, yeah, I tried to fiberglass it too. That didn't work. So, I mean, I'm probably just up against a new one at this point.
Skin on that clear bar, you won't never see it.
Right. Yeah. So I don't know, but I mean, the whole lineup issue too. I think it might be warped, bro.
Just have mounting points, or
so
any of those bent?
If you look at under the hood right here, like all that stuff looks like it's lined up. You know what I mean? The way it needs to be, at least. So it just slides onto this metal piece, and then you just slide these in here. And so maybe I'll take this one out, and then on this side, if you look on this side, that side is lined up. It's pushed in a little bit on this side because the screw's not in there, because I couldn't get it in there, but it's lined up like all right here. And then
have you adjusted this at all, the actual fender? If you loosen that up, push it in some, should close that gap.
Yeah, I mean, and like I said, I don't really know, but like this, I shouldn't have to force it forward so much, you know what I mean? Like, it's going forward too much. So, like, you know, but I noticed after, you know, I had been driving it and bumper was all hanging off, you could tell it looks all twisted. But I don't know, man. I mean, this is one of them stupid aftermarket bumpers, and then they charge you $150 for freight. Like, bumper is like $100, and shipping is more than that. But I mean, like I said, I gotta respray the bumper anyway because it's all blotchy in the front. But you know,
get it there.
Yeah, we gonna get there for sure. And then I got a nasty oil leak. I ain't been sitting here for 5 minutes, and it's puking oil
from the front.
I don't know if it's from the front seal or because I can't really even tell, man.
So it's oil, not like from your water pump or something?
No, it's oil. There's no oil in there, so that's why it's so light like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it might be that front seal. But then again, I don't know, man. So something else to fix.
Project cars, right?
I know, shit, it never ends, bro. It never ends. But at least you look good, though. So. This video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yo, huge shout out and thank you to Dash from Dash's Garage for coming through and, you know, pretty much for one, co-signing the Impala. Pretty much everything that, you know, I do to my cars, whatever, it pretty much goes to him first before, you know, y'all see it. Just, you know, for a second opinion, thoughts, whatever. Of course, I do what I want to do with my car, whatever, and vice versa. He does what he wants to do. But you know, we run ideas past one another and see what each other are thinking. And yo, he came through and y'all got his first reaction of seeing the car actually in person. And also too, all the roller shots Dash gets for me and stuff like that. He's a much better cameraman than I am. And I definitely always appreciate it. So if you guys could run over to his channel and hit that subscribe button, I greatly appreciate it. Get him to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. He's really close, so I definitely appreciate it. If y'all rock with me, you go rock with Dash and go check his channel out, because he does the exact same things that we got going on here, man. Building your own car, painting your own car, doing whatever you got to do to pretty much elevate, you know what I mean? But anyways, man, like I said, I appreciate all the love, the support. That was like the first time driving the car. Actually, it was the second time. It's my second time actually driving the car, getting it out. I don't know how much gas is in it, so I didn't want to like push it too much, and it's leaking oil from, I think, the timing cover. So I got to investigate that, get all that stuff fixed. I've been slowly piecing the car back together. As you can see in the videos, there's still some overspray on like the wheels, and there's still a little bit of tape that I still have to get off of the windows. And then the trim has to go back on. I'm almost done putting the trim back on, but my door handles are on, all that kind of stuff. So we are working on it. We're getting it done. We're handling it. And the car will be back together pretty soon, all the way. And then, yeah, we just work on making the mechanics of the car better. I'm probably going to send my steering wheel off to Adrian Rogers at Roger SS so that he could wrap it for me. And then get my airbag cover, because I think I want to keep everything all original. I don't want to change anything on the inside at all. I'll probably get like some more seat bolstering in the front seats or something like that. But other than that, I want to keep everything the same. But yeah, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed it. We got to, you know, show the car driving down the street and stuff like that, so you can actually see it in the sunlight from different angles and what it actually looks like. But anyways, man, keep on rocking with the channel, y'all. I definitely always appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.